Hello, Hazardscape community. Today, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of something that I've wanted to check out for quite a while now. It's a Canadian-made product, something that is fairly new to the market when you consider other similar products. And I'm super excited to do this today because I'm a big fan of this kind of equipment, and it's also something that's used predominantly for a lot of organizations through for their emergency coordination or operations kits. So let's check this out. So I ordered, shipping was pretty good. I ordered this on Monday, and it arrived yesterday through UPS, so pretty good. These cases are called Nanuk cases, and the reason I'm excited to take a look at this product is because, one, I'm used to the Pelican cases. You might have heard of Pelican cases too. They're a hard case, very popular, military grade, business grade. They've got residential, but there's now a Canadian-made case that I'm hoping might be quite similar, that I want to check out. The one that I ordered here is the, I got it on sale on discount because it was overstocked because of the color. It's a tan colored Nanuk case. The model of it, so pretty simple, pretty simple. I'll have to put the, oh, here we go. Can't remember the model number of it. It's a 950S. So got it 25% off. I think shipping was free. And it was, this one I think was just around $200 with shipping included. So the reason I bought it, one, got wheels. You can see it's got the extended handle case. I'm getting old, so it's nice to have some convenience. Again, like I said, the tan color was, I'm going to see if I can show you here. Tan color was on sale. I like the handles. Rubber grip handle on there, rubber grip handle on here. Kind of nice. They lock in place, so they're not flapping around when you go to carry them around. It's got the lock holes here. The clips, not too bad. They are secure, so you've got to push this down to open them up, so those aren't going to pop open on you. And we'll take a look here. I didn't get the case with any of the foam or the added stuff because I just wanted to check it out as a case in its own. But you can get foam, the typical foam in here where you can take the pieces out to fit in your equipment. And then in here you can get Nanuk pouches. So there's a couple of different options for these cases in terms of what you're storing. Here you go. You've got welcome to the Nanuk family. They give you their sticker, which is kind of cool. Just some more advertising. But overall, so far, pretty impressive. Made in Canada. Totally love that. This is made out of a what they're saying is an indestructible resin. I'm sure it is destructible in some way or the other, and maybe we're going to have to test that out if people are interested. Not sure how I would test that out. We've got the pressurizer on here, so if you're using this on a flight, taking it on a flight with you, it's not going to blow its lid on you. But overall, just off the top, what I like Actually, what I noticed here is when you open the lid, it's got some force to it, so it's not going to close on you. You've got to give it a good shot there. I also noticed these pins here. There's like a little lever on here. I'm gonna have to check and see why they do that. Perhaps if something happens with the lid, you can replace the lid. That would be kind of neat. If I have a feeling that's what that is if you look right here, you can see this pin slides up. I imagine it's going to pull out. I'm not going to do it now. And you could probably replace the lid if something happens to it. So watertight, lockable. Love this feature on it because I don't know if the newer Pelican cases, but I've never noticed that before. These are called the Power Claw latch. So again, it's just there's got a little bit of leverage to it. Snap it in there. It's locked. And again, pretty, I don't know what it weighs. It's probably a good 10 pounds. It is a heavier case, probably because of the wheels on here. But I like, that's pretty, comes in and out pretty easy. Decent sized length. I'm not gonna bend over trying to haul it around, or it's not too awkward. And I like here too, you've got the option to carry it like this as well. So these are something that we're looking at in terms of using them for emergency operations center equipment storage, other types of equipment storage. Again, I love the fact that these are Canadian made, and you can get them in all sorts of colors. I think they come in black, red, tan, gray. They're coming out with all sorts of different ones. So I think based on what I've seen here for the price point, they're very comparable to the Pelican cases, but again, Canadian made. And we're giving away a Nanuk Nano first aid kit on our Patreon this week. So between October 31st and November the 7th, you can win a Nanuk Nano first aid kit, which is just a small compact first aid kit that's built with the same type of materials, the same type of strength. Here's kind of a bottom look at it. So yeah, kind of nerding out over this stuff because I'm always looking for, strong, new kind of strong cases to pack equipment around and haul things around, because usually everything's left in the back of a truck or whatever. So yeah, definitely, I think I'm turning into a fan of this product. I don't have a stake in the company or I'm not affiliated. Hazardscape's not affiliated with them. Again, we just like them because they are a Canadian-made option to the more popular Pelican case. So if you have any comments or questions for me about this one in particular, let me know and I will try and investigate and answer them. But yeah, going forward, I'm probably going to do some more reviews on these as a alternative to other storage containers that are manufactured outside of Canada. So thanks for tuning in, and I hope to see you next time.